Hi, this video is about how you can create a barcode using Excel. How to apply the formula and create a barcode in Excel. So you can do that in easy steps. This video will detail how you can do that. First of all, you have to go and download a barcode font. For that, you can search for DA font. That's free fonts available. So now you have to go to DA font, download fonts. Now you can see that there are a lot of fonts available right here. From there, just go to this barcode and click on that. Now you will get enough fonts here. So I'm going to select the font CC code 39. I'm going to download it. Okay, it's downloaded. So I'm just opening it. This is a compressed file, so just open it and you have to install that font. You can see that there is an install option here. You have to go and install it. So the font is installed now. Now close all the windows. Now next part is you have to open Excel. I'm going to open the Excel. Here it is, Excel. So I'm going to open it. So I'm going to open a blank workbook. Opening. Okay, so you can see the blank workbook right now. So first I have to go and check if the Excel have that font installed. Listed here. So the name was CC code. Yes, you can see that it is there. The font is been listed here. So now next part is you have to go and create two columns. One is code, the other one is barcode. These are the titles. Now you can see that try to enter some values here. So I'm adding some values. Now you can see that the 0 is being rejected. So for that you have to format the code column as text to avoid the removal of leading zeros. So for that you have to do that. I'll show you once more. If you add the 0, initially will remove the 0. For as I said, you have to format the code column as text to avoid the removal of leading zeros. So I'm just removing all those first. I'm going to select that column. Now you have to go to General. Click on that and go down, select it as text. Now come back and type 0, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, now you can see that it's there. It has been formatted and now it is in text format. I'm adding few. Now you have to apply the barcode formula. So I'm going to apply that. Equal starts with equal if you are applying in a formula in Excel. Then select the row to apply the formula. Now enter. Now you can see that a value is here right now. Now to apply those values to all other rows, you have to click and drag. This will apply this formula to the rest of the code numbers. So click and drag. So now it's all applied here. Now the next part is select the barcode, then go to the font, then select the barcode font and apply it. You can see that the barcode is now created. Now to apply that to the rest of the digits, just click and drag and apply it. That's it. So now this you have the barcode created in Excel. This is the easy way to create the barcode in Excel. Hope you have enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching. Thank you.